Fish stocks can be either brown or white. Today I'll give you a demonstration of a white stock. To begin with, we wash our bones to remove any impurities such as blood, fat or flesh. We then place the bones into a pot with a white mirepoix of leek, celery and onion, and fill with cold water to the top and add a bouquet garni. Bring the pot to a boil. Once the pot has reached a boil, we then turn it down to a simmer, and from that point on, we start the timer for 20 minutes. It's important that we keep the stock on for no longer than 20 minutes once it's come to the boil. The reason for this is the bones in fish stock are a lot smaller and finer than you'll find in other stocks. Because they are smaller, they will calcify. When it calcifies, it releases impurities and a bitterness through the stock and makes it cloudy. Once 20 minutes has passed, we take the stock off the heat, skim it one final time, and then we pass it and clarify it as required and store.